Hello guys and welcome. My name is SONNY STURKOP and I'm the CEO and founder of Novalya. If you are here and if you're looking at that video right now, it means that you are one of the first user of Novalya because we didn't even launch US market or English market yet. We started with French people because obviously I'm French. So congratulations on joining us. Welcome, and I'll give you a quick setup so you can start right away using Novalya, and I will help you to start and to understand all the platform, the back office, so you can have fun immediately and have results like right away. Okay, and just for your info, this platform, I told you, you are the first users in Novalya in the US market. So this platform will change in a couple of days, weeks, because we're going to update this platform. It will be just amazing. So let's jump on it. So right now I'm on Novalya. When I'm on Novalya, you can see, so you can log in on app.novalya.com with your logins. And here you can see this pink bar. It means that my software is not installed. So first of all, click on install now. It goes to Novalya Chrome Web Store, and you will add Novalya as the extension. Okay, so remember to always use Chrome web browser because this works only with Chrome. You can add it here. Mine is already added, it's just not active, so I'm gonna activate it. Okay, so here we can see now that my extension is active, and when I go back to Novalya, I can see that Novalya is now installed. So that's step one. Step two is going to Facebook and to Messenger. So go to facebook.com and go to messenger.com. When you go to messenger.com, if you don't write here on your message, maybe you will need to go to messenger.com/login. Okay, messenger.com/login, and then you can log in to Messenger. Once this is done, we're gonna make some quick updates on your Facebook and Messenger. So first of all, make sure to use language English US, okay? English US, not English UK. You have to use English US. That's the first thing. Then you go here in this locker, and inside the locker you go to site settings, and inside of site settings you will activate, you will allow the pop-ups and redirects. You will allow this. That's the first one. And then you go down here and you will allow the clipboard. Okay, so default is ask default, and you're gonna use the allow. What does it do? It helps us to copy and paste the messages that you have selected, that you have created, and it helps us to open the right, let's say the right window, so we can send a message for you. So once this is
Way
done,
too fucking
you can
technical,
click
man.
close and reload this page, and do the same on Messenger, locker. So you can see my clipboard is already done. I can go to site settings, and here I can do pop-ups, allow, and here clipboard, allow. Once this is done, I can close it, reload, and that's done. Okay, so that's it, guys. Just install the Chrome extension and then allow the clipboard and pop-ups on Facebook and on Messenger. And now we're ready. Now everything is ready. So you can go to Novalya, and when you go to connect, you will be able to add Facebook groups. How do I add Facebook groups? Let me show you. Here I have added a bunch of Facebook groups. As you can see here, I have a bunch of them, okay? So I can go to Facebook. On Facebook, I can search for anything like weight loss, click on weight loss, and then I go to groups. And groups, I use public groups here, public groups. And then I have a lot of groups, like thousands, with hundreds of thousand members inside. I don't need to be part of the group, I just need to have this public group or being in a private group, but being inside of the private group. So here I have 253K, 103K, and so on. I'll get this one. So I go to weight loss, the group, I go to people here, And here, you'll see this button, add this group to Novalya. So that's the members. We recommend to go to members with things in common. So Facebook will send the message only to people who you have friends in common with, and you will skip the spam. Okay, there is no spam box when you use member with things in common. You go directly to the inbox. Click on add this group to Novalya. When you click here, you will have this green mark saying group saved successfully. Let's check it's weight loss. So now I go to Novalya, refresh, and let's find
vanuit deze slaapkamer bij mijn ouders thuis in de Achterhoek.
The weight loss. Where is it? It's the last one here. Once this is done, you can see that I have saved the group inside of my Novalya, and I can click on connect. When I click on connect, I can connect immediately to this group. So I can do next, and then they ask like, how many messages do you want to send? 5, 10, 25, 50, or custom. And what is the interval you want between two messages? Do you want to make a pause of 30 to 60 seconds, 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and so on? This depends on your Facebook. If you use your Facebook every day and you have great algorithm and you have great replies and you have a lot of people commenting and posting and so on, then you can go 30 to 60 seconds or 1 to 3 minutes. If you don't really use your Facebook, start with 3 to 5 or 5 to 10, okay? Don't rush, make things right. So for the example here, I'll just go with 30 to 60 seconds because I want to make it fast for this example. I click on next, I can select male or female or both, and then here I can select any country I want to add. This is next, from start, next, and here my message. So we'll look at the message later on. Review, I want to send 5 messages to this group, 30 to 60 second pause, then both gender, no specific country, start from search from start, and then my message, submit. And here you can see, we can just wait for it and see the magic. So it goes to weight loss, you can see my hands here. It goes to weight loss, it will select the first person that match the criteria that I have selected. So if I ask only for men, for example, it will skip Zara and it will go immediately to Martin because you can see that Zara is a woman. But here it will select Zara, that's done, selected. Now it's adding Zara as a friend, and then you will send a message, a specific message that I have selected. So the message that I'm sending right now is French. So obviously when the message is sent, I will move it, okay? And then I'll show you the different messages. That's just magic because you can now leave the prospection to Novalya and you can do something else. You can go to the gym, you can have fun with your friends, have fun with your family, enjoy your kids, you can work, you can go to your 9 to 5 job if you have one, you can go swimming, fishing, I don't know, anything you like, you know. And while you're doing this, you have Novalya prospecting for you and you have replies. So we can see here that Zara just received her friend request and we're going to Martin. Let's now check Messenger and Zara just received her message. So that's obviously French. I'll just remove this message, remove here, and I will stop sending. Here we are. Okay. What is this? I think it's slow. Okay, so that's number 1. Now you might want to create the messages. So let me show you the algorithm that you have inside of Novalya. That's just mind-blowing, okay? So inside of sections, you are going to write sections of your message. So let's say that my message is, hi, first name, how are you? And then let me ask you a question. Are you open to make more money? You know, whatever. Then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a new section. In this new section, I'm just gonna write the hi, okay, the hello. So this will be hello, okay, for me, I'll do like English. So hello, that's just the name of my section. And here I say hello, and I click on first name, that will use the first name immediately, and I use smiley, here we go. And then I say hello in a different way. Hi, first name, and I can use a different smiley, and I can add as many as I want, okay? And here I'll say like greetings. I don't know if you really guys use that. And here another smiley, like this, okay? So now I have 3 ways to say hello. Hello first name, hi first name, greetings first name. I can save that, and I can move to the other section. The next section will be, for example, so that's gonna be how are you? When I say English, so I can find it easy. First one will be how are you? Question mark. How are you doing? Question mark. Plus what's up? Question mark. How's things going? I don't know if you can write it like this, but forget sometimes my English, my grammar, or whatever. And I can save that, okay? And then I'll make a third one, which will be the question. So the question, business, let's say, whatever, English. And here I can say, are you open to make more money when it doesn't interfere with what you are currently doing? Question. Just a quick question. Okay. And I can also go to the line, like make a space, okay? I can make that like this, like up, you'll see. Okay, and I'm going to say the same thing or different question, like, let me ask you a question. Do you keep your options open when it comes to make more money? Okay, so now I have my 3 sections. Hello, how are you? Question. I can now go to connect messages. Instead of messages, I will create a new message. I'll name the message English business test. And this is my first message. So this is my first section. First section, hello. Second section, how are you? Third section, question. Confirm. 1, 2, 3. Now, what it's gonna do is that Novalya, and let me start the Novalya immediately so we can look at what is happening. So here, so that's weight loss. Okay, next 5. Both. I'm going to the end, and here I select English business test. Review, submit. Okay, so now what's going to happen is that Novalya is going to the group. Novalya is going to select one person and is going to send the first request and message. But the message will always change. So one time it will be, hello, how are you? Question 1, and then it will be, hi, what's up? Question 2, and then it will be, greetings, I don't know, how is it going? Question 1. And so by doing this multiple sections and multiple variants inside of the message, inside of the sections, then you have like 27, 81, hundreds of different combinations of the message, and you never look like a bot, you never look like spammy, you're always a right person. You're even better than a human, because a human will make mistakes on the first name, will make mistakes by copying and pasting like to everyone the same messages, and then Facebook will be like, hey, maybe he's spamming. Here, you're not spamming because you always change the message. Let me show you. Martin here, and then we go to Raf. So, last message is Zara. Unfortunately, Zara has no message because I removed it. So, here, it's done. So let's wait inside of Messenger for the message to arrive. What was his name again? Oh, Martin. So Martin, hi Martin, how are you? Just a quick question. Are you open to make more money when it doesn't interfere with what you are actually doing, currently doing? Boom! One message, sent, immediately. I'm doing nothing. By the way, I'm going to the restaurant in a couple of minutes. So that's great because I'll just leave Novalya sending messages for me and I'm going to the restaurant. I love that. And while we're talking, Novalya is prospecting RAF now. So let's wait just to see the difference in the message. RAF, 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 oh, here we come, here we go. So Martin received the message, now RAF is coming in a minute, and then I move to the second tool that we have, and the third one, and then you're good to go. You can have fun. You see it's really simple. It's really simple. I've never seen something simple like that. I want to make things simple because I don't want to have headache, and I don't want my friends, my customers, my users to have headaches. I want people that doesn't have any skills in this industry, in how can I say, like informatic, computer and so on. I want them to be able to use it. And here you can see, let me stop it. Here you can see the second message is different. Martin was, hi Martin, how are you? Just a quick question. And here we can see it's, hi Raf, that's the same. What's up? Different, just a quick question. Here's the same. Why? Because I have only two variants. So of course, sometimes you will pick one, pick the other. And then we have multiple, hundreds of different possibilities. Okay, that's amazing. And I hope you're amazed by just what you just saw. Let's move to the second one. So second one will be CRM. CRM is brand new. We started the CRM 2 weeks ago. And I'm making this video. In the CRM, you can create any groups you want. Let's call it label or tag or whatever. And here I can say cold leads English. Okay. And here I select the color. Let's use this color, for example, save. And then we're gonna have the cold lead English here, save. When I go to Messenger, I can reload now Messenger, and you can see here this plus, and I will tag Raf as cold lead Messenger English update, Martin cold lead, Zara, let's say she's a cold lead, okay, and Mitsuyoshi, he's a partner, and that's for real. Beatrice is a partner for real. And now we can see that my messenger is a machine, a selling machine. It's a real prospecting tool because I know who is who, where is my stage with them, and so on. Now that I have tagged those three people into cold leads, I can go to Novalya, click on cold leads, and here, boom, I have my three people. What can I do? I can go to Messenger, to their Facebook, I can take notes. He is an entrepreneur, blah, 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 add notes. And then I can add more notes, blah, 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 add notes, and I can know where I'm at with this user, okay? What is beautiful is that when I have those 3 people or 30 people inside of this tag, I can click on campaign, and I can say, okay, send to group code lead English, 3 people inside, next, interval 30 to 60 seconds, next, the message I want to send, so I can create the same message as we've done in Connect, review, and send the message. So now I can tag the people here and say, okay, those 20 people, those 30 people, those 50 people in my team, my cold lead, my partners, my family, my friend, my whatever, send them this message, send them this.
Hey Rob en ik van Unify.
Hi Nick, goedemorgen kerel. Ja, uitstekend.
Goed om te horen. Hij had mijn collega gesproken hoorde ik.
Ja, klopt. Hoor jij veel op de achtergrond? Ik ben even in een opname.
Nee,
Niet storen?
Het gaat goed in principe. Ik zit zelf, ik sta nu bij de Lidl op te wachten, want ik ben in Spanje.
Oké.
Met mijn gezin, dus ik denk maar gelijk even op.
Nee, helemaal goed.
Ja, toch? Nee, ik had gehoord van mijn collega inderdaad dat je eigenlijk op zoek was naar een partij die wat dingen voor je uit handen kon nemen. Kan je me daar misschien wat meer over vertellen? Het ging over verschillende diensten en producten, als ik het goed heb gezien.
Ja, er zijn een aantal platformen die ik wereldwijd aan het promoten ben met verschillende platformen, met verschillende mogelijkheden hoor. Vooral AI tools en we zijn onze eigen producten en diensten aan het creëren vooral in de crypto trading wereld en educatie en dergelijke. Maar daarnaast ben ik ook niet vies van gewoon producten en diensten promoten en dergelijke. Maar het geval nu is dat dat we eigenlijk een eigen tradersbot de wereld in aan het gooien zijn, privé. Die zo geavanceerd is dat we voldoende budgets hebben zometeen om gewoon lekker groepen en advertentieplatformen of organisaties zoals jullie aan het werk te zetten. Die uitkomen op geanimeerde videotrechters. Die uitkomen op heel veel producten en diensten.
Dus promoten van diensten, waar moet ik dan aan denken?
Ik heb een portfolio van hier tot Gunther. Really, echt krankzinnig gewoon. En eigenlijk ben ik al meer dan 30 jaar bezig met online marketing. Allerlei vormen. En ik kan over 1 miljoen producten en diensten promoten, maar het gaat erom dat ik gewoon een paar partijen zoals jullie budgetmatig aan het werk. Als de ROI maar goed is, dan moet er gewoon geld gepompt worden in advertentie die uitkomt op trechters, die uitkomt op producten en diensten.
Zeker.
Trechters.
Ja, dus. Wij op advertentiegebied zijn we juist zijn we ook heel sterk. We hebben ook een eigen merk, zeg maar. Dus een eigen sieradenmerk die we 8-9 jaar geleden begonnen zijn. Daar hebben we eigenlijk de basis mee gebouwd, om het zo te zeggen. Dus daar zijn we ook groter mee geworden. We liggen ook in surfshops in Amerika. En we doen goede zaken online. We hebben ook prijzen gewonnen daarmee met van die Shopify Awards. Voor het verwerken van meer dan 100.000 orders. Dus op advertentiegebied ben je aan het juiste adres. Dan moet ik dan denken aan bijvoorbeeld ook webshops, of gaat het echt om producten waar we moeten targeten op andere platformen?
Nee, alles hoor. Ik ben echt nu 40 jaar later een van de grootst gezochte specialisten qua automatisering en cryptografie en tokenisatie en blablabla. Dus ik kom nu eindelijk, ik ben nu bijna, en dat zeg ik echt uit totale transparantie, we hebben denk ik nog een paar weken nodig. En dan weet ik zeker dat er voldoende cashflow is om gewoon naar Spanje te vliegen. Of waar je ook maar bent om even sushi te eten, lunchen, weet ik wat. Om in kantoor te zitten, boardroom, lalala. Om het gewoon serieus te nemen. En ik wil gewoon budgetmatig even kijken wat we dan kunnen doen om de trechters aan te passen en de inkomsten aan te passen. Snap je? Dus dat is een beetje andersom. Maar ik wil in ieder geval wel al contacten leggen. En ben jij dan een van de mede-eigenaren, Nick, van Omni?
Ik ben een van de mede-eigenaren.
Ja, wat goed.
Dus ik heb 2 compagnons, Mike en Peng. En Mike doet eigenlijk alles op het gebied van design. En bijvoorbeeld de e-mailmarketing, daar zijn we ook heel goed in. Dus e-mail funnels creëren. En Peng doet eigenlijk alles op het gebied van advertising. En ik doe alles. Ik doe eigenlijk alle gesprekken ook beantwoorden. En ik kan alles goed uitleggen en verwoorden.
Dat goed.
Dus zo vullen we elkaar eigenlijk aan. Ik kom zelf uit de groothandelswereld. Ik heb ook een groothandel in Nederland, in de groente en fruit. Nog wat huurbedrijven aan zeg maar van die fotospiegelbooths, zeg maar, voor bruiloften, evenementen, et cetera. En dan natuurlijk ook nog het marketingbureau die we met z'n drieën doen. En dat is eigenlijk gekomen uit een soort van hobby. Iedereen zei van jullie weten er alles van, jullie doen het er natuurlijk ook met jullie eigen pijn. Hoe werkt dit, hoe werkt dat? En op een gegeven moment zeiden ze van, waarom doe je er niet iets mee? En wij dachten, weet je, even serieus. Maar we hadden het zo goed geautomatiseerd dat we dachten, waarom niet? En nu hebben we gewoon best wel wat partijen, zeg maar partners. De klant vind ik zo afgezegd. Partners waar wij ook zeg maar de marketing doen. Of het nou advertising is op TikTok, Pinterest, Google, Meta. Of dat het nou e-mail funnels creëren is. Van alles en nog wat, zeg maar.
Ja, dat is goed, want we moeten echt delegeren. Ik ga het niet allemaal zelf doen. En het leuke
Zeker.
Even een algemeen vraagje. Heb je ambities of hebben jullie ambities in Amerika groot te worden? Of ben je al daar?
We zitten nog niet in Amerika. Nee, we zitten nog niet. Ambitie, we zijn heel ambitieus. We staan eigenlijk overal voor open. Dus zo zitten wij eigenlijk ook altijd in elkaar.
Oké, dat is spannend. Dat gaat wel. Ik heb 18 jaar op de Bermuda-eilanden gewoond. Ik ben veel in Amerika geweest tot aan president Obama campagnes aan toe achter de